Dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will see class 9th physical science, general science full answer key of this video we will see. Okay, so watch full video and share this video with all your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe also. And if you want to download this answer key PDF, just go on Google and type airappindia.com, where PDFs also available. Okay, and answer key also available. Search airappindia.com. So previous video we were also see the question paper, full question paper of class 9 physical science. Okay, so this is your first question. Arrange the increasing particles: sugar, water and oxygen. Okay, so this is the right arrange. Okay, so first is sugar, and the second is water, and the third is oxygen. Okay, so this is right increasing order. And the next is answer. Right answer is option B, milk. Okay, and the third question answer is electronic configuration of chlorine, Cl. Okay, has 2, 8 and 7. Okay, 2 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 17. So this is the electronic configuration. By adding one electron it will change. Okay, if you add one electron, then it will be 8. Okay, 2, 8 and the 8. So the valence electrons are 8. Okay, so right answer is 8. And the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Okay, the right answer is meter per second square. And the next is fifth. The question number 5 is option number A is right. Okay, and the question number 6 is designing of ships and submarines. Okay, the question number 6 right answer is. And the 7th question is energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay, and the question number 8, the diagram. So first is that wave disturbance and the time. Okay, and the soft sound. Okay, the next is that a louder sound, and this is your soft sound. The soft sound goes to this, and the wave disturbance, when louder sound is speaks, then time. Okay, so it's volume. The next question of 2 marks. Okay, so this is the chart table, you have to complete the table. So this is your hydrochloric amla, 36.5. okay, here molar mass 36.5. HNO3 nitrate amla. Okay, so it's 63, and H2O it's 18. Okay, and the C2H2 is 26. So this is mass, molar mass. Okay, and the question number 10 right answer is what is meant by speed and velocity. So what is the main difference between speed and velocity? Okay, and the next question 11, its acceleration towards the moon, it is much smaller than the acceleration of the moon towards the earth. Okay, the first and second. And the 4 marks question. So the question is number is 12. Okay, the option number B is so the diagram is shown where K, L, M and R classes. Okay, and n value put then different values. First that 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, put the values of n 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is a label diagram. And the 13 is 2 meter per second. Okay, and 13 A answer is 2 meter per second, and B answer is A is equal to V upon T. Okay, and V for velocity, T for time. So 2 upon 1 it means 2. Okay, and the C answer, question number C answer is a positive force. Okay, and the D answer is increasing graph. So this is ABCD answer. The next 14 answer is, so the 14 is it explains the motion of planets around the sun. It helps in determining the trajectory of astronomical bodies and predict their motion. It also explains rainfall, the motion of water in the oceans, rivers, etc. Okay, so this is answer key of 1 to 14. In the next video remaining answers will be uploaded, so watch full video and share this video with all your friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For PDF search airappindia.com, where all the PDFs are available, and the question paper and remaining answers are also uploaded on this channel. So please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Dear students, welcome to YouTube channel. So in this video we will see summative assessment essay second, essay 2, 2023-24 class 9th general science question paper. We will see full question paper of class 9 general science. Okay, so watch full video and share this video with all your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe also. Okay, this is your section. First we will see arrange the following substance in increasing order of forces of attraction between the particles. Okay, water, sugar and oxygen. The particles are given, water, sugar and oxygen, and you have to increasing order, you have to arrange the increasing order, okay, in this particles. The next page number third. Okay, the page number second is missing, I think. No, page number second is there. And the next question is, which of the following with stone effect? Okay, so salt, milk and stone solution and copper something. The picture is not clear, but in the next video I will show you clear pictures also. Okay, the number of valence electrons in chlorine iron is, okay, carbon iron, I think. I don't know what is this. So next is, what is the SI unit of acceleration? Okay, the fourth question is, and the fifth question is assertion and reason are given that, so which is correct, and the both are true and not, one is true and one is false, so option is given. And if you want to download this answer key PDF, just go on Google and type arfindia.com and then type your class. Okay, so you can easily download PDFs in your mobile. The next question is question number 6. Write any one application of Archimedes principle. Okay, the question number 7 next is, state the law of conservation of energy. And the next question is, draw a diagram that shows the wave shapes of a loud and a soft sound of the same frequency. Okay, this is your full page number second. The next page is page number third. Okay, so the section second is given that, note also, answer all the questions and each question carries 2 marks. Okay, the question number 9 is, complete the table. Substance and molar mass also given, hydrochloric amla, HCl, HNO3, H2 and C2H2. Okay, and you have to fill the molar mass. And the next question is, frame any 2 questions to understand the difference between speed and velocity. Okay, and the next question is, if the moon attracts the earth, why does the earth hand move towards the moon? Okay, the section third is, draw any one of the following diagrams. Draw a diagram showing the sublimations of aluminum chloride. B is, draw a diagram showing a few energy levels in an atom according to Bohr's model. Okay, the question number 13 is, the following table gives the distance covered by the car of various instants of time. Okay, distance and time is given, so answer all the following questions. The question is, what is the acceleration of the cat? Okay, and the next is, what do you infer about the forces action in car? Okay, sorry, this is car, not cat. What is the shape of the graph shown for the above data, and what is the importance of the universal law of gravitation? The section 4, the last section, is all total 24 marks. Okay, I think there is 3 questions maximum, each questions are 8 marks. Okay, so you have to do these questions. What is the sound and how it is produced? Explain. And define kinetic energy. Write its formula. Give 6 examples from your daily lab situations. Okay, explain the following by giving examples: atomic number, mass number, isotopes and isobars. Okay, this is 4. And the option question is, write the difference between mixture and compounds. Okay, the next question is question number 17. A and B given that, state Newton's third law of motion and suggest an activity to prove this laws. Okay, and the B is, how do you prove that the rate of evaporation depends on surface area, temperature and wind speed. Okay, this is your full question. So this is your full question of class 9th general science paper, first question physical science. Okay, the next question paper will be uploaded in the next video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you want to download PDF, search arfindia.com. Okay, you can download easy PDFs in your mobile. So we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching.